Hey guys, and welcome to Tech Owls. We've compiled a list in no particular order of some of the most incredible new tech bikes available on the market. From chainless bikes to an amazing new folding bike, so don't forget to click subscribe, hit the bell notification and keep up to date with all of our future uploads. If you want any further information on these products, all the links are down in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get into this. First, we have the Ruby X. Makes every bike electric. It has batteries, electronics, and a motor that touches the rear tire of the bike. It also has a wireless cadence sensor that tracks your pedaling patterns and adapts the electric assist automatically. Its patented quick-release lock technology enables Ruby to be installed and detached with one hand. In just 1 second, make your bike electric. Next, we have the Revolve wheel. Occupies up to 60% less space when folded and can be used in all conditions. When folded, it allows the user to easily store it at home, in a backpack, in a trolley, in a trunk, or even in an overhead baggage hold on an aeroplane. It is compatible with most bicycle and wheelchair designs, as well as every mode of transportation using large bicycle wheels. Let's have a look. CT Lock is a hybrid product combining a bicycle seat and a lock in one. Basically, it's a sturdy folding bike lock featuring a unique structure that forms a seat. It connects to the bicycle seat with a special universal adapter. When mounted to the top seat, post in function as a normal bike seat. Following the few easy steps, the CT Lock unfolds and turns into a 1 meter long lock. Next, we have the Cradle. Ready to go for a ride? Just pull your bike down and go. When the ride is over, simply attach your bike and engage the thoughtfully engineered hoist that powerfully lifts your bike while you gently guide it safely towards the ceiling. Geo-orbital wheel is an evolution of the orbital wheel, aka the Tron motorcycle wheel. The geo-orbital wheel replaces a standard bicycle front wheel to turn your bike into a powerful electric bike in under 60 seconds. Let's have a look. Next, we have the Parkers, a simple, smart bicycle lift. An alternative to the traditional bicycle rack, this bicycle storage solution offers a unique experience of an easy and simple space saving. The next one is truly amazing. Chainless string bike. The string drive system has 19 different non-overlapping transmission ratios within an integrated gearbox. Gears are selected by moving the rope wheels up and down. The upper position gives the maximum and the lower gives the minimum transmission ratio. Gears can easily be changed even under heavy load. The ceramic speed. Each bearing contains unique ceramic balls that are 58% lighter and 2.3 times harder than traditional steel. Increasing the speed of the bearing by 30 to 50%, each bearing works in harmony to deliver great power, playing a private role in performance and speed. Let's have a look. Next we have the Dohan folding bike. The pensioners and leaders in folding bikes since 1982, small enough to fit under a train seat and big enough to fill your ambitions of freedom. Let's take a look at the Dohan in action. The Red Shift Sports, an adjustable stiffness suspension seat post that smooths out your ride. Perfect for gravel, road, mountain and e-bikes. Road Shift's quick release aero bars and dual position seat give you the speed and efficiency of a true aero position without sacrificing nimble handling and comfort of your own normal road setup. Chainless folding bike. Yes, you heard correct. Chainless folding bike. Being chained and ridden like a bicycle with no excitement. Chainless is breaking the cycle and bringing a new breed of riding form to the biking industry. The name says it all. Free from chains and giving the rider excitement and experience of riding again. Let's have a look. Geocycle, British maker of premium folding electric bicycles. Folding bikes aren't meant for the first and last mile of the multi-module urban commutes. You ride them to the station, fold them up to carry onto a crowded rush hour train, and then cycle the last leg to the office. Let's take a look. The More 27 bike. More is the only folding full suspension fat tire e-bike on the market. All More e-bikes are equipped with both rear and front suspension for any terrain, even riding down or upstairs. Moving Life. See the world and be seen. With the Moving Life ATTO, the smartest high-performance mobility scooter on the market, from top mobility and head-turning piece of equipment for those who literally would not ride in anything else. ATTO is the most mobility scooter that refused to look like one. And the final one on our list is the Smartcycle S1. Smartcycle S1 is the e-bike you can easily fold and carry into a small backpack, and it has the ability to lock using a smartphone. It's so lightweight you can take it on public transportation for long distance travel and then ride it shorter distances. Smartcycle S1 comes with a mobile phone holder on the handlebar. Last but not least, you can lock and unlock it with your fingertips because of its security lock. The S1 e-bike automatically connects with the mobile phone. When the rider is within range, you can unlock and ride your bike. Let's have a look.
Take 'em.